Welcome, welcome, you fools. They print money whilst you work your ass off. You're living in a world where nothing is as it seems. Every single day you wake up, make your coffee, and head off to work. Your work could be anything. Maybe you work in a restaurant or in a corporate office. You could be a teacher shaping young minds or a nurse saving lives. Regardless of what you do, you are a system. A system that has conditioned you to believe that the harder you work, the wealthier you get. But have you ever paused to question this reality? The truth is, somewhere in the world, someone is printing money. Money, that symbol of wealth and prosperity, is being produced in innumerable quantities. Pop, pop, pop. Just like that, millions and trillions of dollars are being printed. Meanwhile, you're slaving away at your job, and for what? To earn a fraction of what is being printed elsewhere. It's a concept so many of us struggle to grasp, and yet it functions so seamlessly, so effortlessly, under our very noses. So who are they? They are the ones pulling the strings, the puppet masters who control the flow of wealth. They are the ones who decide how money is used, how it is distributed, and what do they do with this? They hoard wealth, accumulating fortunes beyond comprehension. In this vast world of ours, you are but a tiny cog in a monstrous machine. You work your 9-to-5 jobs, you pull night shifts, you sacrifice your health and your time. You do it all to survive, to provide for your family, to pursue your dreams. You are but a pawn in their game of power and wealth. And what about the government? The government, the supposed servant of the people, has been feeding you lies. They have manipulated you into believing in this system, this hierarchy of wealth and power. They have brainwashed you into accepting this as your reality. But what if I told you that this reality is a lie? Indeed, this world we live in is a grand deception. I'm not telling you this to scare you or to discourage you. No, my purpose is not to spread despair. My duty is to reveal the truth, to awaken you from this sweet deception. You see, the world isn't as black and white as they want you to believe. There's more to life than work and money. There's more to this world than what they're showing you. Most of you watching this, probably still in your teens, you're at the cusp of your lives, on the brink of stepping into the system. I urge you, don't just blindly accept what's been handed to you. Question everything, seek the truth. My duty is to tell you the truth. Open your eyes. Today is December 8th, and you are tuned into the rich mindset revolution. If you dare to voice out against their actions, they won't hesitate to silence you permanently. A grim reality. You and I, we share a common past. We were both born into respectable families, where our parents worked hard to ensure that we had a comfortable life. Our parents, despite their many struggles and challenges, managed to earn a decent income to not only pay the bills, but also to provide us with all the basic necessities that we desired as children. From the latest toys to the most fashionable clothes, they endeavored to fulfill our every whim and fancy. Despite their efforts, they never forgot to instill in us the value of hard work and the importance of perseverance. As we grew older, we started to face our own set of challenges, hardships, and trials. Life was no longer a bed of roses. We had ups and we had downs, moments of joy and moments of despair. Yet it was during these trying times that we found our inner strength. These struggles, these challenges, they motivated us to strive harder, to conquer our fears, and to face the world head-on. Each hurdle we overcame, each obstacle we navigated, added a layer of depth and meaning to our existence. We started to mature, grow, and to level up in life. We were no longer the naive children of our past. We had evolved into strong and independent individuals, ready to take on the world. However, the story is quite when it comes to the people in power, the government. They are born into privilege, with millions already in their bank accounts. Their life, in stark contrast to ours, seems devoid of any substantial meaning. They do not have to face the grueling challenges that we do, nor do they have to strive for survival. They are already at the very top, at level 100, from the moment they are born. Most of these privileged individuals, devoid of any real or purpose, often resort to desperate measures. Some, tragically, end their lives prematurely, unable to find meaning or purpose in their existence. Others, however, decide to play God. They use their virtually unlimited resources, their printed money, to manipulate and control the masses. Yes, they watch us as we tirelessly work our 9-to-5 jobs, breaking our backs in the process. They observe us, hidden behind our pandemic masks, while they revel in extravagant parties and buy a new Ferrari every day. It is a cruel reality, but it's the truth of our times. If you speak against them, they will assassinate you, and this is the truth. You're watching the Rich Mindset Revolution on this December 8th. Prepare yourself for an incredible voyage into the covert realms that could well be hidden from your sight by the powers that be. We're about to delve deep into the intricate and elusive world of money, its creation, its circulation, and how you too can make it in the rapidly approaching year of 2024. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and let's set out together on this scintillating journey, filled to the brim with revelations and knowledge. Corruption, a word that reverberates through the annals of history, echoing in the chambers of power and deceit. But what if I were to tell you that what we see, what we're allowed to see, is merely the tip of a gigantic submerged iceberg of deceit? In this section, we're crafting the base of our edifice of understanding, but ensure you grip your hats firmly, because what follows next is truly beyond anything you could have possibly conceived. Hold your breath as we prepare to delve into the depths of corruption, unearthing its roots that are entwined deep within our history. Political scandals, corporate deceit, the narrative of greed and power, these tales have shaped our skepticism today, molding our perception of those in positions of authority. The past is an indispensable piece of the enigma that we're attempting to decipher. What we unearth will play a crucial role in setting the context for our understanding of present-day happenings. In order to understand the present, we must first journey back into the past. Let's rewind the tape and scrutinize the echoes of corruption that have reverberated through the ages. As we retrace the steps of history, we'll encounter tales of political intrigues and corporate frauds that have shaped our skepticism of today's powerful entities. Fast forward to today, and we're met with a new generation of cover-ups, more sophisticated, more clandestine. What if I were to suggest that perhaps the very institution tasked with our protection, the government, might be staging a contemporary masquerade? From hidden operations to secretive, under-the-table dealings, we're on the verge of blowing the lid off the tactics utilized to shield certain information from the public's prying eyes. Prepare to uncover the truth that's been concealed, the narrative that's been muted. But like every dark tale, ours too has its heroes, the brave whistleblowers and leaks that defy all odds to shine a light on corruption. In this section, we'll delve deeper into their narratives, the risks they undertake, and the spine-chilling revelations that have rocked the very pillars of power. Believe me, the stories that we're about to uncover are nothing short of mind-bending. Now that we've laid the groundwork, it's time to dive into the world of finance. How does money come into existence? How can you make money in the year 2024? Let's unravel these mysteries together. Brace yourselves, because the journey might be a wild ride. Surprises may lurk around every corner, but fear not, for knowledge is power. Together we'll navigate the labyrinth of money, unearthing its secrets and uncovering its modes of operation. From the shadowy world of corruption to the dazzling lights of financial success, we're about to embark on a journey that promises to be as enlightening as it is exhilarating. So, stay tuned, because you won't want to miss the revelations that lie ahead. Now let's talk money.